wettest channel on the internet.
How you doing, guys, and welcome back. And well, today's adventure started earlier and it turned out to be a little mission, and I'm gonna tell you guys why. We got up at 7:30 in the morning, jumped on the turnpike and headed north all the way to Boca Raton, because today we're headed to Boca Lake. For what? Boca Bash. I'm pretty sure you noticed because I've been posting clips on my Instagram, and that's why I tell you guys, if you want to keep up with the local events, follow me on Instagram because you'll see it there first. Well, getting back to our mission, I drove north on the turnpike and headed over to Althora Park Public Arena by Hillsboro, and that is the closest ramp to Boca Lake from Miami. And by the time we got up there, it was 8:45, and to our surprise, the marina was closed because it was full. So we had to turn back around and head down south towards Fort Lauderdale. All right, guys, so we here. We're about to jump off. Oh, the water's cold. Hey! Woo. Check it out, we made it. We're gonna go with the show. And now another story begins because we're here at Fort Lauderdale 15th Street boat ramp. And I estimate that our ride to Boca Lake from here is gonna be between 2.5 hours or 3 hours long, because almost the whole way it's idle zone, and this is our first time doing it on jet skis. And now we're out of the ramp channel and onto the main intercoastal in Fort Lauderdale. So I guess I'm gonna sit down and get comfortable and enjoy the long ride through the end of the coastal. There's other boats here and they're heading north too, and to my guess, I think they're probably heading over to Boca Bash to have some fun in the sun. And within 30 minutes or so, we have reached Las Olas Boulevard Causeway. And we just went under Sunrise Boulevard Causeway. And that was Pompano Drawbridge, and so far we're about an hour and 45 minutes into the drive. But if this lady thinks she's gonna make it, if she does, she must be really good, because we have another 35 to 40 minutes to go. But the ride has been very interesting. We got to look at beautiful boats and beautiful houses on the intercoastal. And the closer we got to our destination, the more boats we saw on the water. and it has been 2 hours and 20 minutes and we're getting closer and closer. We noticed that the closer we got, there was more people waiting around the shore, I guess for their friends to stop by and pick them up on their boat. And also, the closer we got, the boat traffic got even heavier. And finally, our last drawbridge, and we have reached Boca Lake. And it took us 2 hours and 45 minutes to get here, with lots of idle zones and boat traffic, but we did it. And now we're gonna cruise around and check out Boca Bash 2022. And as you can see, there's plenty of boaters here already and more on the way. So as time goes by, more boaters are showing up, so we're gonna keep cruising around and let the video speak for itself. And I would like to say hello to all the fans that recognized us while we were cruising around. Go over there. Go over there. Yeah. You good? No, you good? Want me to help you? Anywhere you look, there's a million people. Stop right here though. Stop right here? Yeah. Well, what do you guys think so far about Boca Bash 2022? If you guys been watching my channel and you watched last year's Boca Bash, you noticed there was more people in the water. And this year, there's less people in the water and more standing on their boats. And the reason why is because the water, for some odd reason, is still a little chilly for us Floridians. But nor windy weather or chilly water is not gonna stop the boaters here from having some fun in the sun. And it's only about 2:30 in the afternoon. And there's also plenty of boats coming in and circling around the sandbar trying to find their friends or an empty spot. And here's the part that the smaller the boat, the better advantage you have, because you can move around in and out of all the clusters of boats. And that's gonna answer the question that I'm pretty sure a few of you were asking yourselves: why they become such a far ride on the jet ski? And that's why it's easier to get around once you get here. So we're gonna keep cruising around, but we don't have enough space in this video and we don't want to make it too long. So make sure you guys tune in tomorrow for part 2, where Fresquito helped out a boat load of fans. And we also got to meet more fans here at Boca Bash 2022. So make sure your notification button is turned on so you don't miss tomorrow's video.